So guys, this is the snowstorm. This snowstorm from yesterday, like in the evening when I was at laundry. And this is what it's looking like outside. Guys, it's cold. It is freezing. But I'm trying to get this video for you guys. You hear my voice, guys? This is the snowstorm, guys. I can't go outside right now. I'm trying to go outside maybe tomorrow to show you guys, but I'm trying. This is from my apartment window, guys. That's the best I could do for you guys. I hope my phone don't fall downstairs, but I will do anything for my subscribers. I will do anything for you guys. But look at this, guys. I'm trying to put the phone out as far as I can. There's people outside, guys. There's people outside. Snowstorm, guys. It is a snowstorm. Look downstairs. My car is right there, guys. Thank God I get a parking right here. It's not too hard for me to dig the snow out. But I'm not gonna be going outside tomorrow. Not even tomorrow, guys. I'm not gonna be going outside maybe for the whole week. So when this person come and dig their car out, I would get, this person at the front right here. I could just go straight. But this is snowstorm, guys. Our first big snowstorm 2020. Mommy. And sorry, I want to see it, but outside it's cold, guys. It is cold. It's cold. See the cars driving, they have to take it at a time. Because they have people who have to go to work in this, guys. I'm put the phone out more for you guys. So you guys could just see it. It is freezing. Okay, guys, so oh my goodness, guys, this is what's happening in New York right now. This is what's happening, guys. We have a snowstorm. Oh my God, it's coming in the apartment, guys. It's freezing. I'm trying to show you guys. I'm trying to show you guys because I can't go outside. So I'm gonna stick my phone outside, guys, for you to see. It's coming down harder and harder. You hear that, guys? I don't know if you could hear the wind. I don't know if you guys could see the people in the street. They can't walk on the sidewalk because the truck come and clean the roads. It's like the sidewalk is a mess. So you could see people. I don't want to get their face too much in the camera. You could see them in the street, guys. So this is what's going on right now, guys. I'm gonna try and edit this video right now and post it up. What time is it? It's like around maybe 12 something in the afternoon. So I'm about to post it. This is live. This is what's going on in New York right now, guys. We're having a snowstorm and I am in Brooklyn, guys. So you could see people is still outside. And this is what's going on, guys. This is what's going on. You could see people in the street, guys. People running in the snow, guys. See this, guys? This is what's going on right now. I am freezing. I am freezing, guys. My hands are freezing. My face is freezing. But I'm doing this for my subscribers and my new subscribers who's about to subscribe. So, I feel like my phone is going to fall out my hand. So, guys, this is it. I will come back again, guys, and try to do a next video for you guys. Alright, guys, so it's coming up more harder. My hands are wet. My phone is wet. But, guys, stay tuned, guys. Keep rolling with us, guys. Keep rolling with us. Thank you, guys. Bye.